Hey everyone, Mrs. Spatola here with the answers for the remainder of our Unit 4 study guide. So greatest common factor using the T-charts for number 22, the answer was greatest common factor was 16. For number 23, it was in the video. You didn't have to worry about that, but if you did decide to do it, it's the same answer as the previous question. The GCF is 16. You are not responsible for using prime factorization to find the GCF. However, you are responsible for finding the prime factorization of one number. As far as equivalent fractions go, moving right along, equivalent fractions are fractions that name the same amount. Fractions that name the same amount. You can use either multiplication or division to find equivalent fractions. So for 24, 25, and 26, just take a look. You could have either multiplied or divided. Make sure when you want to check to see if two fractions are equivalent, you want to cross multiply. Okay, you want to cross multiply multiply the cross products to see if they are equivalent. Okay, so pause the video and take a look there. And winding things up for simplifying fractions, a fraction is in simplest form if the numerator and denominator have no common factors, obviously, except for one. Here are some steps here for simplifying fractions. You're going to find the GCF and then divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. Whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. Taking a look over here at number 27, 28, and 29, and 30, there are your answers. Pause the video to check. Number 32, if you did number 32, it's W minus 5 3/10 equals 7 9/10. Working backwards a bit, answer to number 31 was 219. 33 through 36. At hockey practice, Coach Al wanted to make equal teams. Be careful. Equal teams imply composite numbers. So you want to make sure that if you're looking at anything to be equal, you're looking for a composite number. Tell whether the number of players would work. So for number 33, the answer is yes. 34, the answer is yes. 35, the answer is yes. And lastly, the answer to number 36 is no. 29 is a prime number. Therefore, you cannot make equal groups with a prime number. And then lastly, let's scoot over to number 37. We see you have 36 gold charms and 24 silver charms to put on your bracelet. What is the greatest number of identical bracelets you can make if all charms are used? So the greatest common factor of 36 and 24 is 12. And how do you figure out how many gold charms and how many silver? You divide 36 for the gold charms. 36 divided by 12 is 3, so you would have 3 gold charms on each, and 24 silver charms. 24 divided by 12 gets you 2 silver charms. Alrighty, so at this point, we have completed our review for Unit 4. Take a look at the Jeopardy game. That is going to be something you will be responsible for. You definitely want to make sure you come into class with a sheet completed that proves that you did the work for that. And that's it. This is Mrs. Spatola wishing you a great day, and make sure you always be kind. Have a great day.